everyone, this is Joanne coming to you today with a layout for Bramble Fox. I am going to use some amazing fall autumn perspectives from Bramble Fox for the upcoming October Fox box. It's a subscription and I'll leave all the information for that below. It's super awesome. You get it delivered to your house every month. And there's a Fox Box Plus where you get a stencil and the paper snips with it too with your subscription. So all the information is linked below. I'm going to be scrapping some photos of my husband and my baby. Isn't she cute? Her name is Baby Girl. She's 18 and a half years old. So I definitely want to document some photos of her using the Hip Kit Club. I think it was October 2022. So I'm on a mission to use up this collection. I'm going to put the photos something like that, and then we're going to embellish all around them, okay? I want to see this, so I'm going to put this right up against that. And let's go ahead and get our T-square ruler and make sure that I have that on straight. And I'm going to put a very, very tiny bit of adhesive down because I am going to pull it back up because I am going to do some mixed media today. And then I have this one up on foam and I'm only going to rip the very corner off so I can lift it back up and make sure that this is straight too. I think I want it right about there because I want to see her little paw on his arm there. So let's see, right about, let me see here, right about there looks good. So that way I can just pull up this if I wanted to. Okay, so let's do some mixed media. I have two shimmers colors. I have the Brink of Pink and Rose Colored Glasses. Very, very pretty pinks. And I'm going to use Hip Kit Club stamps for this. And I'm just going to put some colors around this with these stamps. And the way I do that is, oops, sorry about the noise, you guys. Sorry. Okay, let's do this one first. I already put some liquid in that, so we can go ahead and stir this up now. And I'm just going to put some right on my glass mat right here so I don't spill onto my layout. And I'm just going to paint it into the stamp. And I do not want this to be perfect in any way. So now I know that I want to go there. So the reason I did that is because I want to lift this up and know that that's there. And see how it just does that a little bit? So let me do that and then I'll switch stamps and do the other color as well. Okay guys, there you go. There's my mixed media, and I did a little bit of stamping, and honestly some of this is going to get covered up, but that's okay because I want it to. So I have picked out a whole bunch of embellishments over here. Two tags that I put the We Are Memory Keepers eyelets in like a nice fall bronze. I have lots of Bramble Fox perspectives, which I'll show you before I lay them down, and a whole bunch of fussy cut flowers from some Hip Kit pattern paper, as well as paper snips from October. Let me show you the ones that I am using. They are so cute. I have couple leaves. I love the black detail, the black line detail in that. A little teeny squirrel, how cute. This little sentiment that says sweet, a little mushroom, and then this one says treasure today. And I did back it with the same blue paper I backed the paper, the photos with, because I wanted it to stand out a little bit more. Okay, let's start decorating. Well, this is here. Thinking about putting this here and having the leaf come down the side of the photo like so. Lots of free space there. So cute. He just picks her up and he talks into her neck so she can feel the vibration, because she has become deaf in her old age. So something like that. And I want to put this beautiful fall colored pumpkin in here. Something like that maybe. Okay, there's that. And then I am going to slide these two tags in there, so I'll have to lift that photo back up a little bit, but that's okay. I can do that. I just put it down with ATG and not glue, so I can just use that and go ahead and do that. And I'm going to put this one in there. I'll just cut them if I can find a pair of scissors here, so I can get them in here. I'm going to put one lower. I think I'll cut it a little bit more like this, and then this one will be a little bit higher, so I'll do it like that. Yeah, pretty. Here is our awesome title. It says Autumn. I love, love, love this color. I'm going to put that right over here. And then with that, I am going to take a leaf that I fussy cut from one of the pattern papers and just put it in like that, because then it'll tie the title in with the rest of the clusters. Also, they have these amazing not snips, sentiment strips, but they're the acrylic. They're so beautiful. They come in this great fall brown, and they also come in the orange. I'll put a picture up. It says truly blessed in the beautiful life. And I definitely want to use those because we are truly blessed that she is still with us. And I'm very grateful for that. Okay, then let's go ahead and get the rest of these things in. I'm thinking maybe get some of the paper snip leaves in. I absolutely love these. I need like 100 sheets of those leaves. They're so pretty. This is a little crooked. Okay, so maybe put that there, and then what else do we have? Let's put some of the fussy cut leaves up in here if I can get it in there. What am I getting stuck on? I don't know what I'm getting stuck on. Probably the photo. Right, just like that. And then for another color, I think I will bring in this one. Maybe right there. Let's make a cluster over this. And again, I am going to cover up some of this, but I'm okay with that. And I don't know what that is. A piece of paper. Okay, here is a paper snip that says sweet. Oh my goodness, sure is. I'm going to put this right here because she's such a sweetie pie. And then let's put one right here. A lot of free space here, so we can put that right in the corner. This one was fussy cut off the side of a piece of pattern paper, so I'll just sneak it in there and you'll never know. And then this one has a really pretty pink leaf on it like this, so we'll put this in here to match. I think I want that to go in a little bit more, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut it like that. Oops, I moved this. Okay. Then we have some fussy cut leaves that go with the sunflowers. So pretty. There was a whole piece of pattern paper that had these flowers on it. So I said, well, good excuse to fussy cut now, isn't it? And then perhaps some more of these to tie in the other clusters. If you put one of the same thing in each of your 3 clusters to make a visual triangle, then that way they match each other. And I cannot resist this adorable mushroom. It is just so cute. Put that there. And then this one says treasure today. I'm going to just put it over here and then go ahead and put my squirrel right on top of it like this, like he's looking at the flowers and looking at the photo. That's so cute. I love it. So now we are going to put on the final touches. I found this little sticker. It says enjoy today. It's like a little banner flag. I'm just going to put it right underneath the acrylic perspectives for a little something. Fill in that space. And then this is chipboard. It says so happy together. Totally perfect for these photos. Put a little something over here with this awesome title that I love. Thought that went really well. But I do have some enamel dots from Cartabella Welcome Fall that matches, and these are the puffies that go with that. And there were some super, like, ridiculously super tiny little teeny acorns on here that I thought would look really cute next to this little squirrel. I keep wanting to say chipmunk, but it's a squirrel. It's a very, very small detail, but it's really cute. All right, I don't know. There's a little teeny pumpkin too. I'll see if I can get that in here. I don't know where, but I don't want to put it someplace where you can't really see it. Maybe right there. Or we can put it on top of this. Yes, that's cute. I am going to put a little bit of glue on that just to make sure it stays. Let's put it right above this so happy together. Let me move it over a little bit more. That's adorable. So tiny. And I think that that is going to be it for these. There's another little acorn. Let's just give this little guy 2 acorns because it's just too cute. All right, perfect. I'm going to leave these empty. Then I think the last thing to do is some enamel dots and probably some gold splatters would look super pretty on here. It's adorable. I really like these. Fall's my favorite, you guys. Absolutely. Look at that perspective that says autumn. Love it. My awesome little photos. There's that. And then these awesome sentiment perspectives that come with the October Fox box. Those are awesome. And what a great color for fall. There's that cluster with the splatters right on it. Okay, I'll put close-ups at the end. All the information for Bramble Fox is in the description box below. And if you have any questions about Bramble Fox, please do not hesitate to contact me. I am happy to help you. Okay, and they are based out of the UK, and there is international shipping, and it is not expensive at all, so don't fear about that. Check it right out on the website. They have a conversion right there for UK and US dollars. All right. Again, ask me any questions, leave me a comment, like and subscribe to Bramble Fox and my channel. Thank you so much. Bye. Have a good day.